Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gyan Coach. Today we are going to discuss chapter Little Nino and My Secret Beard. English Fairy Supplementary Book Class 8. We are going to discuss textbook and extra questions. Word meaning. Goggle. Stare openly and stupidly. Acronym. A short word that is made from the first letters of a group of words. Altimeter. An instrument to measure the height of an aircraft above sea level. Loomed. Appeared as a threat. Scarcity. The state of being scarce or in short supply, that is shortage. Sparingly. Using very little of something. Short questions. Question 1. How old are Nino and DJ? Answer. Nino is barely 6 and DJ is 83 years old. Next question. What is special about Nino? Answer. The special thing about Nino was that he could tell you about the airspeed indicator and the altimeter. His favorite subjects are not only airplanes but also elevators, vehicles, computers and Indian trains. He has negative nature. He is more intelligent than other adult people. Next question. What was DJ's profession? Answer. DJ was a well-known water warrior from Mumbai. He is also an author, playwright and cartoonist. He is also an environmentalist and work passionately to conserve water. Question 4. What is the full form of DJ? Answer. Full form of DJ is Dadaji. Question 5. What does he know about the pilot's cabin in an aeroplane? Answer. He know about electronic devices in the pilot's cabin is an aeroplane, and he also know about the airspeed indicator and the altimeter. Next question. What are his favorite subjects? Answer. His favorite subjects are airplanes, elevators, vehicles, computers and Indian trains. Question 7. Where did the family travel during the previous winter vacation? Answer. The family traveled to Delhi during the previous winter vacation. Question 8. What did Nino ask the motorman? Answer. Nino asked the motorman that is this Rajdhani engine a WAP5 or a WAP7, and which engine is used in Durnoto? Question 9. From where does Nino gains all his knowledge? Answer. Nino gained all his knowledge from books and internet. Question 10. What happened due to water scarcity that year? Answer. That year a city in Africa called Cape Town has water left for only 3 months due to water scarcity. Question 11. When did the author feel butterflies in his stomach? Answer. The author felt butterflies in his stomach when he was preparing questions that Nino can ask to him when he would tell him about water scarcity problems. Next question. How are NGOs helping in many villages? Answer. NGOs are helping in many villages by digging lakes, well, cleaning rivers and making check dams to capture rainwater that flows away to the sea. Question 13. Why was Nino happy after returning from school? Answer. Nino was happy after returning from school because he got a gold star for the essay he wrote in school about water, and teacher asked him to read for whole class. Next question. What did Nino write in his essay? Answer. He wrote in his essay that how kids can save water. Next question. What changes happened at the author's house after the day? Answer. After that day, little Nino has been using only one bucket of water for his baths, and DJ kept a beard to conserve water. Long questions. Question 1. Why was DJ so called? Answer. DJ was so called because Nino liked to call his grandpa DJ, not Dadaji. He wants his grandpa to be DJ of 21st century. Question 2. Why did DJ want to convince Nino to save water? Answer. DJ want to convince Nino to save water because of Nino get convinced he could inspire his school friends. He was aware that children need to carry forward this message because they are the future. Next question. Why was Nino given a gold star at school one day? Answer. Nino got a gold star at school one day because he wrote an essay to school about water scarcity problem and how kids can save water, and teacher got impressed from his essay and gave him a gold star. Question 4. How do you think DJ felt when Nino described his essay to him? Justify your answer. Answer: DJ felt very happy when Nino described his essay to him because he wanted Nino to do the same as he tried to convince Nino and want him to inspire his friends to conserve water. He was aware that children need to carry this message forward because they are the future. Reference to the contest. First, I would have to be fully prepared. Question A. Who says this? Answer: DJ said this. B. What would be speaker have to be prepared for? Answer: the speaker have to be prepared for the question that Nino can ask to him when he would tell him about water scarcity problems. C. How does the prepare himself? Answer: he would prepare himself by preparing answers of probable questions Nino could ask to him. Second, now I was more intrigued. A. Who is the speaker? Answer: DJ is the speaker. B. Why was he intrigued? Answer: he was intrigued because he want to know
इंट्रीग्यूड अब चलो यहाँ पे मैं आवाज़ कम कर दूँ
that what Nino wrote in his essay to save water. C. What did he learn immediately after? Answer: he learned immediately to not save and he kept at beard. Third, I always use buckets. A. Who said this to whom? Answer: DJ said this to Nino. B. What did the speaker use the bucket for? Answer: the speaker used the buckets for bathing. C. Why did he use the bucket? Answer: he used the bucket for bathing to conserve water. He used bucket instead of shower. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.